Okay guys, we end our theory lesson here. I don't really like theory and don't understand it very well as well, but let's go and try and use our code. Okay, we create on title. Let me give it title neural ski learn. Okay, this is the MLP regressor from the sklearn that we are going to use. Let's go to sklearn and see what MLP regressor do. Let's just see what is MLP regressor is doing. Wait a minute. MLP regressor is multi-layer prediction regressor. It has some functions. Let's see if it has its own data set. It don't have any data sets. Not a big problem. Okay, let's go to our MLP regressor. MLP regressor is multi-layer prediction regressor. It's one of the neural network that we can use. I don't want to do a lot of things in scikit-learn. The real world of the neural network is going to start from the time we going to use TensorFlow. But just for now, let's go and learn what our code do. MLP regressor, it's some kind of neural network that using regression. And as you can see here, we import the network and then we read the data. You know what these two lines do. And then we make the data test and train. What this line do? This line is reshaping the array. Why we reshape the array? Because the data that this regressor need for learning should be in this shape. Okay, then what we do? Then what we do is that by reshaping the data, we make them in a one line. Let me give you to see it. It's now reshaped in one line. It's not important if you don't understand right now, but it's some kind of input that we need. Okay, after that we use this function train to numpy. Why we do this? It's because the find of input that this MLP regressor need. Okay, I tell you that I'm gonna give you a lesson on this min-max scalar and what it do. Okay, let's try and create a lesson on min-max scalar. Let's go and create an CSV file. Let's go to our notepad. We have a space here. Okay, let's go to this space. Let me create a data set for you to better understand. Okay, let me create the data set. For example, let me copy these things and put them here. For example, we want to predict sum. And why we need to use the scalar, I will tell you in the next lesson.